Malla Reddy College of Engineering and Technology. Malla Reddy College of Engineering and Technology, established in the year 2004, is approved by AICTE, New Delhi and affiliated to JNT University, Hyderabad. The college is equipped with state-of-the-art laboratories for all the departments, full-fledged training and placement cell, industry institution interaction cell, etc. The college has been ranked AAA grade among India's best engineering colleges in the year 2014. Survey conducted by Careers 360 Outlook Group. The college also ranked 4th among the top engineering colleges of excellence in Hyderabad. Survey conducted by Competition Success Review in the year 2013. Department of Humanities and Science. The bedrock for all technical sciences is maths, physics and chemistry, without which the other sciences are difficult to comprehend. English is a global language which forms the basis for professional communication. The department is equipped with state-of-art multimedia laboratory. Department of Computer Science Engineering and Information Technology. The department is committed to establish, maintain and advance a broad understanding of computer science to fulfill academic and professional objectives. Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. The Department of Electronics and Communications Engineering constantly endeavors to improve the academic skills of students in gaining state-of-the-art knowledge in the area of electronics and communications to meet the needs of industry. Department of Aeronautical Engineering. Seek continually to improve the course offerings and curricula while attracting enable students to relate their fundamental physics, maths and engineering studies to many practical aspects of aeronautical engineering research, development and practice. Department of Mechanical Engineering. Department of Mechanical Engineering, established with the motto of preparing the students to meet the challenges of mechanical, automation and automobile industry. The department has state-of-art laboratories with advanced machines and equipment to cater to the today's requirement of industry. Department of Master of Business Administration. Exhilarating to share that the MBA of MRCET has bagged the top-notch position among 350 MBA colleges under JNTUH in third semester exams held in January 2012. The department has 100% results with 23 distinctions and 35 first classes. Library. The college has an advanced digital library facility with adequate number of volumes and journals to meet the student needs. High-speed internet facility exclusively for students. The college provides excellent sports and games facilities in cricket, football, basketball, throwball and indoor games. Our students are excelled in sports and games and that are champions in university level and national level events. college has excellent gymnasium facility for both students and faculty. Placement and training. The college has taken initiative to enhance the employability skills of students through organizing group discussion, personal and technical interviews. Dr. V.S.K. Reddy, Principal, MRCET, BTech, MTech, PhD, IIT Kharagpur, FIETE, MIEEE, MISTE, MCSI. Mallareddy College of Engineering and Technology, approved by AICTE, Delhi, affiliated to JNTUH, Hyderabad. Maisamaguda, Dullapalli, Kompalli, Medchal, Hyderabad 500014.